project's particularly important because it's producing energy which is going to go back into the national grid, green energy, sustainable energy. But the great thing is that it's also providing energy for our local hospital.
We carried out land assessments, and this site was one of the more viable sites that we looked at. It's a former land wreck site, so it gave us a great opportunity to make better use of the site to develop on with the solar farm.
As you can imagine, this project had quite a number of stakeholders, particularly with regards to the private wire. So some of our solar energy goes directly down a cable into the local hospital. So we had regular meetings with the NHS, both to conclude the power purchase agreement and to also agree the works on site to minimise the disruption to the patients and the local residents.
So there's strong collaboration between the energy service, the council and the health board throughout the project, which really helped it move forward. So we're already seeing the benefits of the project through lower electricity bills and also seeing our carbon footprint reduce in our Royal Glamorgan Hospital site.
So my advice to other organisations taking on projects of a similar nature is to allocate the right amount of time, because these projects do take time. You need to have commitment from the top down, and you need to have really good communication channels in place to get you through that time scale. Rhondda and Taff set ambitious targets to become carbon neutral by 2030, and the Welsh Government Energy Service have helped us move forward and achieve those goals.
All renewable energy projects are unique and have a unique set of challenges that will need to be addressed. So the Welsh Government Energy Service supported this project in a range of ways, including through drafting procurement specifications, supporting with identifying technical risks and challenges, solutions to those challenges, and things like energy modelling and financial modelling to help the council fully understand the project's potential.